Hey, what's up everyone? So I am going to give you a step-by-step guide on how I go grocery shopping. So if you don't remember, I am a woman who's blind, visually impaired, and I'm going by myself. I'm actually getting ready to leave work, heading out the office, going to get in my Uber and go to the grocery store. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide, so stay tuned. I have to admit, sometimes it can be a little bit hectic to carry things and my cane. So there's my cane over there in the corner, my bag with my laptop in it, and then my water jug because the girl is gonna be healthy, drinking more water. Thank you so much. So getting out of the Uber driver's car.
I get you back.
Okay. I'm gonna come around.
Okay.
Thank you.
Get your phone.
I'm sorry?
I get you.
Oh, no.
You got it?
I got it. I almost left my phone. Yeah, it's hard trying to video and use a cane. Thank you so much.
Okay. Right here.
Oh, there you go.
You got it?
Got it.
Okay. You got your phone, right?
I got it,
Okay.
yes.
You take care, darling.
You too, thank you. Never try not to videotape anybody.
You got it under control?
Yeah, I had to switch the sides.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
So right now I got my stuff in my basket here. And what I do is stand in front of the basket and I walk. I'm gonna put the phone inside so you guys can see. But let's hope this works. Maybe it'll look sideways. So try not to run into people. Excuse me. Now what we're doing is going to the customer service desk to ask for a little assistance.
And then,
Excuse me. Half the time I'll be in line and they don't want to tell you that you're skipping them, so they won't even say nothing to you. So we just stand here and inch a little closer to the camera top so they can see you. While I'm waiting to be seen at the customer service desk, I thought I'd share with you one of the things is hard with grocery shopping. I was just thinking, because I'm trying to eat more healthier, and especially, for my daughter as well, and my husband. But right now, he and I are both fasting, so I'm trying to make plant-based options that she will enjoy. This is hard, y'all. Now I get some assistance with shopping. That's all I need. Thank you.
How are you doing, young lady? Good?
Good.
Let me hear one moment.
So we ready.
Can you watch my spot?
They got me a shopping. Well, I kind of have my stuff in this one already. Okay. Y'all, it's a mess. And you just gonna take it, y'all. Is this basket messed up? Okay.
Hold on. Watch your hand. Okay, there you go.
Oh, thank you.
We need to.
I'll go to the produce section. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, but I want the ones in the bag. I think it's like along this line here.
Oh, you mean frozen?
No, it's fresh, but it's still in the bag already, cut up. Okay, so I just wanted to do a recap of my grocery shopping. So one of the things is I will give you some tips as well. One of the things I think will be very important is to have a grocery list. Like prepare your list before going to the store. Knowing what grocery store you're going to is another thing. But also carrying less stuff to the grocery store if you can help it. In my case, I could not help it because I had to leave from work and go to the grocery store because it made no sense to catch an Uber ride back home, drop things off, and then catch another Uber ride to the grocery store. So that's a lot of money. Listen, as a blind person, we spend a lot of money, especially on travel, having people to assist us because sometimes we like to tip, you know, like they don't have to help me at the grocery store. So, you know, tipping a little bit is something that's important to do. You don't have to, it's not necessary, but if you choose to do it, most of the time they won't take it. That's even when you catch a flight, you know, they assist you with getting to your gate. So, you know, sometimes we tip. Not all the time because we always don't, everyone don't always carry cash. I typically don't carry cash, but I'm starting to carry a little couple of dollars on me to it. That way I can give it to the individual that's assisting me. Also, I like for other people to go shop for me, like my husband, or he does a really good job. So I usually go with him to the grocery store because I just walk with him. He does all the shopping. In this case, we needed some groceries and he gets off really late, so we had to wait on him. We won't get groceries till about 10 o'clock tonight, so we didn't do that. Online shopping is okay for certain items. I don't like them to pick out my produce because they just put anything in the basket, or they'll give you the worst of the worst. They just put it in there. But again, the tip is to prepare your grocery list, get it together, know what you want. Even when you're going into the customer service desk, so as you see me, I got into the store, put my things in the basket, and I stepped in front of the basket, and I was able to still use my cane and get through people. Going to the customer service desk, a lot of times, especially at this store, the Kroger, I like this one, but sometimes it can be a little iffy. They will not let you know that you're in line, or if you're skipping people, the people just go in front of you like, whatever. I just felt like, okay, so I just stood there and I was like, I just get a little bit closer to the counter each time, and then I'll say, excuse me, may I get some assistance with shopping? Then they'll call someone over the speakerphone, as you heard. Usually the person that's helping me grocery shop will pull the basket, and I will hold on to the handle of the basket, and we'll go through the store that way. And I just tell them what I want through the grocery store. So that's typically how I grocery shop when I'm doing it by myself. Now, yeah. So if you have not, please like, subscribe, and share this video, because I'm going to bring you more tips and more things that we can do. So can a blind person? Yes, we can. And stay tuned. It's your girl Mel. I am signing off.